Hi, Math 141 Online. Um, this is your week 3 update. Can you believe it's already been 3 weeks? Well, it's already been 2 weeks, and now we're heading into week 3. I just wanted to tell you a couple things to make sure you stay on track to be successful this semester. First of all, make sure you're reading all the feedback on the assignments that I give you. That weekly attendance assignment, you need to make sure you turn that in. If you don't turn that in, you can be withdrawn from the course. So I need to see that activity each week specifically because that's the one where we interact with each other. If you have questions on how to see my feedback, I have it in the updates and announcements. And if you're on your iPads or on your computer, there's a little place where you can review comments, and then you can actually see your submission, and I've handwritten on that. I also put the readings in your notebook, so you have those. The big news for this week is you have your first quiz. So it's over Unit 1, so it'll be order of operations, including evaluating algebraic expressions, percents, and proportional reasoning. So you should be well into your percents assignments and making sense of those. This quiz is via lockdown browser. So you have to download that software. I have a practice lockdown browser exam that'll walk you through that. Make sure you go through that practice lockdown browser first so you make sure you have everything ready for when you take the actual quiz. The quiz will be available Saturday, let's see, that must be February 1st through Monday, February 3rd, and you have 45 minutes to complete the exam. So I hope that helps. Make sure you review. Oh, you have a practice quiz in Canvas. Oh, sorry. It is in Canvas, but it's also in OneNote where you can write on it. Once you finish that practice quiz, I'll give you the key to it so you can check your answers and make sure you're right and showing all your work. I'll try to give you feedback on that assignment as soon as possible. So the sooner you get it in, the sooner you'll get that feedback. Ted, I'm going to show you the assignments I'm talking about. Oh, you also have a review quizzes that's kind of it's kind of like Kahoot if you've never played it. So it's a good way to practice as well. All right, so once week 3 opens, obviously you go through the week 3 preview and update and complete that. Then definitely go through our proportional reasoning overview, which tells you what assignments are due, and then the proportional reasoning resources. Here's the practice lockdown browser quiz that I was talking about. This one is low stakes. It's only worth 3 points. That's just to make sure you know how to use the technology. Then you have the practice quiz. This is the practice quiz that is in Canvas and in OneNote. So I'll show you it in OneNote in just a minute. This is the quizzes game that you can play. It shouldn't take you very long, but if you practice it, it can help you on the quiz. You have a mini lesson, a homework, and then as always, you have your attendance and personal feedback. Here's the big one. This is your Unit 1 quiz that requires lockdown browser. Oh, it says 0 points, but it's actually worth 48 points and will go in the quizzes and test category. So make sure you study for that and you do that practice. And then after you do your quiz, you will upload your work to this assignment. If you do not upload your work, you receive an automatic 0 on the quiz. So make sure that doesn't happen. Now let's take a look at OneNote. So your OneNote looks like this. You have more items in there, but here's the textbook readings that I've provided so you could write on them. And then you also have the practice quiz. So you can do the practice quiz right here and submit it via OneNote. All right. That's it. Have a great week and reach out if you need anything.